Hey, I'm Joshua from Innolitics, and here are two VS Code debugging tips that you might not know. The first tip is conditional breakpoints. So we have this for loop here that's going to loop 300 times, and some of those later loops, ID matches is going to equal false, and we want to stop the first time that it's false. Now, if we set a breakpoint on line 20, it's going to stop every single time of those 300 times. And we don't want to change our code, but a fast way to do this is to use a conditional breakpoint. So we can do add conditional breakpoint and stop if ID matches equals false. And if we debug this file, we'll see that it now first stops when ID matches is first false. We're actually at loop 257, and that gives us actually a hint as to what went wrong here, and it's that we accidentally used the is comparison operator instead of equals equals. The second tip is specific to NodeJS. If you have a NodeJS application that you're trying to debug, rather than have to set up a launch config, remember the complicated command line arguments, flags, etc., if you have auto attach on, and you start your application through the special JavaScript debug terminal, VS Code will detect that the node process is running inside of the terminal, will auto-attach to it, and stop at any breakpoints that you have.